Yeah, I hate this research book funda. I mean, I'm really of the view I should take it away from you guys. Yeah. People write long, lengthy notes in their research book, then come to me and discuss those candidates, and I get so. If this guy is not in the database, मैं तुम्हें देख लूँगी kind of thing.
Okay. Now implementation.
Implementation. L-E.
Alright.
Useless without spell check. Huh? ये पूरी generation खराब है.
Alright. Okay, so guys, it's very clear and it's all there in front of you. Assignment, formula.
We need template for candidates who get rejected. We need a template for people we speak to who are not interested in the role, but we'd like to keep in touch with them. Harish had put together these templates. Can somebody dig these out and again put it on every single desktop? Raisha, again random checks will be required on this. That are these people, because you'll have access to the research database, you'll see that this guy said not interested. Immediately, like suppose you're checking Joyita and you're seeing Joyita's 2 searches this week. She's keying in the research into the database, Anupama will be keying it in regularly. So you have to see that you're not interested wala candidate hai. You have to go ask Vivek, he will check from the mail server backup, isko mail gayi hai ki nahi. Saying that, thank you for your time and there's a template, thank you for spending time with us and listening to our pitch, but since you're not interested, but we'd like to stay in touch with you and it was wonderful to talk to you. That Harish had put together the templates. Those were Manpower ke global templates. So
check your backup.
Yeah. So Vizar, can you give that to Vivek? He will put it again on everybody's desktop. And very clear icons on the desktop. It says, thank you for reject candidate. Thank you for not interested candidate. Because anybody who's interested, then there's a connection process that goes on. And in this, as a content person comes on board, I'll change the templates also a little bit, telling people that we'd like to stay in touch. Please follow our blog please follow us on Twitter, please follow us on Facebook, that kind of thing.
Okay. Now we have the research on the 3rd day when we finish 72 hours. From the consulting team or the operating team, the expectation is to start showing or basically discussing profiles from 4th day onwards, which will be actually 3rd day, because you will talk to people on the 1st day, 2nd day as well. So by 3rd day onwards, we expect that people will start discussing profiles with me. And if I feel somewhere we're going wrong, anything jarring is happening, the research is not happening right, I will raise the flag to Shailaja on the 3rd day. So it's very important that all the people who are working on searches come to me and tell me these are the profiles they've got on the 3rd day.
Please don't raise any flags to me. As far as I'm concerned, they're your flags.
Yeah.
I'm not interested in what happens at this stage. I'm only interested in output. Now, in my mind, you should tell people that if their research is not turning out right, they should raise the red flag to you. Yeah, मैं red flag का क्या करूँगी? I'm not involved in this process.
No, but since you're dealing with the client, you would want to send them an update after 3-4 days of getting
you only have to tell me that Shailaja, this research I'm not happy with because these are the gaps or whatever. I'm not going to get involved in the research at all. Yeah. I find I waste my time doing too much of this. If I have approved the search strategy, then the research should be done according to the search strategy. That's the way I see it. And when these guys are sending the search strategy and that our understanding document, then they should mark it to both you and me. But for you, it's not mandatory to read all of them. For me, it's mandatory to read all of them. And then it goes to Vivek. I mean, in fact, they should send it to 3 people at the same time. They should send it to Vivek, you and me at the same time. We can put it in the system.
We'll do basic implementation in the first 3 days. And third day, discuss profiles.
Then you get from day 3 to day 7 to do evaluations.
Day 4, day 5, again you'll get more and more profiles. We have to bring it down to 5 best.
But Shweta, what I'd like to tell people here is that you will find that there are weeks and days in a year that you are pretty free because you don't have pressure of work, and there'll be days when there'll be a lot of pressure of work. Please take a leaf out of the senior people in the company, like Linda or Shweta or Suman, who are not watching the clock when they're having to do something. If somebody's evaluation has to be done, it gets done. He's told me times I've talked to somebody at 10 o'clock at night, फिर इसने इसका evaluation लिखा, एक बार इसने मुझे 2 बजे रात को किसी का evaluation भेजा. You know, I see the same thing with Shweta. Once I got an evaluation from her 12:30 at night. The fact of the matter is they get the job done. It's the reason they are where they are, and they'll continue to grow and they'll go places. But anybody who's constantly watching the clock on these things, when you know that you have to deliver against a timeline and you're watching the clock and saying, अरे 6 बज गए अब तो मेरे को जाना है, forget, मैं कल evaluation कर दूँगी. There are a lot of procrastinators in the company. Stop doing it. You're only axing your own foot and frustrating the people who deal with you. You know, when somebody gives me feedback about a person on 2-3 different occasions on this matter, कि वो कल से परसों हो गया, परसों से तरसों हो गया, my impression about that individual is very poor. And then the person has to work 3 times harder to establish themselves in terms of credibility. And then we don't give them any good searches. We just pull out all the good things because this person is not credible, isko kaam hi mat do. And these are all signs. We're still a small company, and these are all signs. You should be reading the signs. मुझे काम नहीं मिल रहा है, मेरी credibility बहुत खराब है. मुझे अच्छा काम मिल रहा है क्योंकि मेरी credibility बहुत अच्छी है. And it's a question. There'll be so many days where your work will be finished at 5, and you'll be sitting. All of us have days like this where we will sit and have coffee पीछे. I mean, I have days like that. Shweta has days like this. Linda has days. Where we're free because our work got finished at 5 instead of 6, and you have to leave at 6:30, and you get time to read the papers. You get time to sit and focus on some other developmental things. Sometimes you just leave early because you finish what you've done. But when something is required, this quarter, I don't think you guys will get time to breathe. Because you want your first quarter to be good because it sets the precedence for the rest of the year. But there are plenty. So aren't there times when we have less pressure and we can pack up and just leave?
Yeah. I come to your room and we're discussing
Junk. Yeah. So you must understand that there are times there will be high pressure, there will be times there are low pressure. You have to accommodate and you have to deliver. I'm coming back to the same fundamental thing we started with, that delivery is everything. You may get an A+ for effort, but if there's no outcome, you're still failed with a big F. And I'm saying this to you guys because for a lot of you guys, this is your first job, second job, you worked somewhere for a while, but I don't think I need to explain it to people like Shalu or Sumant or Linda, who came from companies where delivery was everything. So they understand that company Amex was not watching the clock on him. Yeah, if he didn't deliver, he was told you're not delivering. Shalu's worked in a bank; she knows how it is.